How y'all doing today? So today I'm going to be making a video on how to merge onto a busy highway. So as y'all see, I'm about to merge onto the Cross Bronx Expressway. This is one of the busiest highways, especially around this time right now. It's 10 a.m. right now, 10:45. So we merging on further down. So as you see, you just even get into there is a lot of traffic, right? Because there's different lanes, everybody trying to merge and stuff. So let's see. And then you got the people coming off the Cross Bronx. Anytime you see a lot of traffic like this, it's always an angles game. So you're just playing the angles. That's all you're doing. Taking your time, playing the angles, making sure you're checking your mirror and blind spot. That's really all it is, right? You don't want to be trying to force yourself or, be driving too slow either. But definitely play the angles. That's all I say it is, to be honest. So I'm going to put on my left signal. I don't know why I don't know if he's turning in the middle or what. It's good. Alright, he turned. He took a minute though. I don't know what he was trying to do, but yeah. And then you're gonna have trucks behind you doing exactly that. I know y'all heard that. So we got the green light as well. We got the arrow. They merging on. So it's always 2-3 lanes trying to merge on at the same time. So you see how they going? It's an angles game. So I'm already to the left, so he really gotta let me go while hitting me. This is really nothing, to be honest. When we get up there, that's what y'all gonna see. All right, it's a bigger deal. Some people literally they will literally crash before they let you merge on. But you see, it's really about angles. I already had the upper angle on him. But if you see a person forcing it too much, just let them go. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Say like if he was about right here and he just shot a merge, I would just let him go. Let me adjust this mirror real quick. Make sure you got your mirrors adjusted to where you can see. Cause you definitely gonna need that on the highway. So it's real slow. Usually some highways y'all just coming on, y'all go on with speed, but here we going how many miles? Like 5 miles per hour right now. We're barely moving. So this part is where a lot of people struggle with, this part right here. But even back there, when it's real busy, when it's like 3 cars trying to merge on, it's difficult, but it's about the angles. Once you get a certain angle on a car, they can't really do too much unless they just start forcing it. Alright, so here this lane is soon gonna end. Damn, this truck is mad loud. This lane is about to end soon, so once you see the dotted white lines, you can start crossing over. So I'm gonna put on my signal, and when it's going slow like this, you always anyway make sure you're aware of the car in front of you, because they could just stop out of nowhere, anything. So that's one important thing. Next thing is checking that mirror. So before you even try to check your blind spot, check that mirror, see how far that car is. If it's not too far, so this type of in this type of traffic, you don't have to it don't have to be fully clear. As long as there's a space where you could merge on without hitting them, you could do that, because it's going slow anyway. So the car is right there in my blind spot, but I could angle the front of my car in without hitting him, and he knows to stop on time as well. You just want to play it safe though. If you know he's too close and he's going and he's not trying to let you go, then wait. Even if you had to stop, just wait. But you see how that was easy. That wasn't really nothing crazy or nothing like that. It's just about playing the angle. So now I'm gonna just be going straight. So this type of traffic is real slow. I don't really like driving in traffic like this because it makes you sleepy, especially if you didn't really get that much sleep. It really makes you sleepy. But we will be doing lane switches in this type of traffic as well, because that's another thing. Say like you need an exit and the traffic been like this the whole route, and you need an exit on exit 4 or whatever, you're gonna have to know how to switch. It's actually harder to. I would say it's kind of harder to switch when the traffic is this slow, and there's more traffic. Like this is not really that much traffic, like that much cars like on each other. But I've seen traffics where it's been like cars like back to back. So I'm gonna switch somewhere down there. I don't really like how this is looking at all. It is mad trucks and stuff, and they mad loud. So this lane is actually moving a little faster than the middle lane for whatever reason, but it is. And you see how the traffic is not that fast right now? Just go at the same pace, basically. So you're going according to the traffic conditions, basically. This lane is moving a little bit, so I'm not too close and I'm not too far. I'm right in distance, especially when we're not going that fast. You don't really need to be that far. The faster you're going, the more distance you want.